Welcome back to my channel. If you are just watching for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button now. Click on the subscribe button now and stay tuned to this channel. On this channel, we talk about how to earn money on daily basis just with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you can earn money on daily basis. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, kindly click on the subscribe button and stay tuned to this channel. On this channel, like I said, we talk about how to earn money with your smartphone. So today we want to look at the monetization that is coming up on WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp monetization. Yes, WhatsApp is a big platform that every second a lot of people are going into it. Now here is the good news. If you can watch this video to the end, you will surely enjoy it. Yes, WhatsApp monetization. Let's go back to it. Now WhatsApp is doing a lot of great things in the online space, like creating a monetization for every content creator. That is just it. This is the new good news, that WhatsApp is trying to make a pave way for every content creator, just like the way it's happened on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and the rest. So now here we go. WhatsApp is also creating a platform whereby people can start earning. Reason being that because there are a lot of ads that will be ads, like running of ads on the platform very soon. So here is how to create your own channel if you want to earn, just like Telegram as well. If you want to earn on WhatsApp on daily basis, yes, you need to create your own channel, and from there you will surely thank me when the news of the final updates arrive. So you will just go, you can see at the screen right now. Yes, you will just scroll down to your account. Let's open it right now. So this is my account right now, and you will click on your status. So when you click on it, you will see something like chats and update. So you click on the update. Then here you can see a lot of followers, people that have their own channel already. They are already building a contract, so you too can also do that for yourself. So you just click on the three icon above, then you create your account. So simple. Here is my own account called Oyeku's channel. You can see I'm starting to start growing it very. I have like 17 followers down the line, as you can see on the screen right now. So what I'm saying here is that start building on your own channel here on here on WhatsApp, so that you can also be part of people that will be earning on daily basis on this WhatsApp when the final review comments. So a lot of people you can see right now that have been building their own channels. You can see this one 270,000 plus follower. You can see this one 1 million followers. You can see a lot of people with their unique name of their channel. So you too can start doing that now. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Do you want to earn more on social media? This is the right channel. You can stay tuned. So if today is your first time of following me, like I said, just click on the subscribe button and stay tuned to this channel. So here is the good news. So you have to start creating your own channel on WhatsApp, so that when the monetization fully review, you can also start earning on this new good news to every content creator. Or perhaps you are here to create you don't know what content creators perform or do. You can also check the link or view my videos around. Then you will see how to create, how to grow your channel. Yes, even on Facebook, if you don't know how to grow your channel, you can also let me know or put it in the comment section below. Then if you have any question for me across this good news that I've just mentioned, that WhatsApp monetization is about to boom to the space. So if you have any other question for me concerning this WhatsApp monetization, you can also drop it in the comment section below. Yes, so like I said, stay tuned to this channel, because every time I drop more updates on how to earn on daily basis just with your smartphone. So if this video sounds so cool already, let me hear your yes in the comment section, and also stay tuned to this channel. Boom. Yes, lastly, before you go, there is a good news, another good news. Yes, this is it. I have a book that you can also that can help you. Let me use that word. That book can help you to boom your social media earning. So you can click on the link in the description down below and get that book. Yes, and get that book. So that book is wow. So like I said, if you have any question for me concerning this good news of WhatsApp monetization, let me hear your yes. And don't forget to get that ebook that I mentioned, social media, how to earn on social media. So you can also get that book. Check the link in the description down below. So if you have any question for me, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. And if you have gotten value already based on this good news, let me hear your yes as well in the comment section. Until next time, bye for now. Boom.